So my friends, ECOVACS have just launched their most advanced cleaning robot yet. This is the DEEBOT X9 Pro OMNI. This is a true dry and wet cleaning expert with a powerful blast suction system and a self-cleaning Osmo roller mop, and it even has a triple lift system that lifts the side brush, the roller brush and the mop independently to avoid cross-contamination. Now this thing doesn't just clean, it seems to know how to clean. Let's take a closer look. Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get my next video first. Now I have these two little monsters living with me in my house, so when I'm looking for a robot vacuum I do need something which is going to be up to the job, and so therefore I'm hoping that the OMNI X9 Pro is going to be up to the job. The build quality of the X9 Pro seems fantastic. It's got everything that you need in terms of sensors for seeing and judging and navigating around your location, but also the actual device itself just feels more robust. And this being the OMNI means that it comes with its own base station. And this is where the hot water cleaning and the hot air drying all takes place. Inside the main cover is the container for the cleaning solution and also your dust bag. Setting up is super simple, just follow the easy to follow guide which comes with the robot vacuum, plug it all in. Next, before you start, just add the cleaning solution and then add clean water to the tank, and then take the cover off of the actual robot vacuum itself, scan the QR code, and then you'll be able to connect through the app to get it all set up. The Osmo roller mop system cleans itself in real time, and this means that you're not spreading dirty stains around the floor. And it also has AI Stain Detection 2.0, which re-mops sticky spots automatically. So it's recognized that there is stains here on the floor, and it's then concentrated the mopping on that area. And when it's all done, it goes back for hot water cleaning and hot air drying. Another feature of the mop which I really liked was the edge cleaning. This is where the mop will extend out of the side of the robot vacuum, getting edge-to-edge cleaning. And with its rotating roller and 16 times downward pressure, you're getting a mopping finish that I've not seen before on any other robot vacuum. It really is doing a fantastic job, and because it's self-cleaning as it goes, you're not getting the stains being dragged along the floor with you. Brand new this year is the triple lift with precision dry wet separation, and this is effectively where the mop itself will detect what it needs to do and adjust the main brushes and mops accordingly, and I'll show you that now. The robot vacuum will automatically detect that it's on a carpet, and therefore the mop will lift and stop operating. But as soon as you go off of the carpet and back onto the hard floor, the mop again will lower and again it will start to work. If the vacuum detects large particles, the side brush and the roller will both raise to prevent further scattering. And finally, for spills, the main and side brush will raise. The vacuum will then detect the spill and it will then put it in a specific cleaning mode. And for large spills, this will then go over 2 to 3 times, but the brushes are protected away from the spill and the extra downward pressure is directed to the mop, which cleans those spills up really quickly. It is such a clever system which gives you the best possible operation for whatever dry or wet surface you are on. Now, courtesy of Blast, which is boosted large air suction technology, the machine generates up to 16.3 litres a second of airflow, as well as 16,600 pascals of suction power. Now the result of that, even in quiet mode, is very efficient cleaning. I was surprised at how well it did with all of this debris in quiet mode, so it is very efficient. The robot vacuum navigates with AV3D plus Vision Language AI. It recognises different floor types, obstacles, and does that with precision. I do have to say, I have been really impressed with how it's navigated around my room, which has got so many legs. You may have noticed the new design on the side brush. Well, that's because this is also a zero tangle side brush, so both the main and the side brush now are designed as being zero tangle. So with the 4 levels of suction and the zero tangle system combined with the smart raising and lowering of the mops and brushes, you really do have the ultimate dry and wet cleaning solution. It's now time to go back to the OMNI station to empty and clean the mop.
Start charging. About to start auto empty.
And once it's emptied itself, it will then clean the roller mop very thoroughly, and it will also then hot air dry it. It uses hot water and hot air. You can also talk to your robot.
Okay, Eco.
and tell it to start cleaning. Or if you want, you can hook it up to your smart assistant and do exactly the same. I tended to use Alexa and it worked pretty much all of the time. Your vacuum is also fitted with a camera and you can send it on patrol around your property. You can even choose a location on your map and send it to that location just to check things out, a pet for instance. This robot vacuum also deals pretty well with slight ramps. Now I've got a bit of a ramp going into my bathroom downstairs, and I did think initially that it had struggled, but what it did is it recognised that it was a ramp and actually went back for a little bit of a run up and then got through no problem. I was really impressed with that. And a simple thing, but something which did really impress me, was how it dealt with legs of furniture. It really was very, very thorough in how close it got, not missing any area at all. And so it meant that in this room where there are just so many legs of furniture, it didn't really have any problem at all. Yes, it took a little bit probably longer than normal, but once it recognised the legs were there, it just went around them and kept on going around them. Now folks, although this is a sponsored video, I do have to say that I have actually replaced my current robot vacuum with the X9 Pro Omni, mainly due to the edge-to-edge cleaning with that roller mop, the fact that it cleans it and it does a lot better job of mopping, and also it does the hot cleaning afterwards and it doesn't really miss any areas at all. So if you want to find out more information about this device, then check out the link in the description and it will give you all of the information that you need. Thank you my friends for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next.